how to delete someone's fake Instagram account. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can delete someone's fake Instagram account. So it's very easy. Firstly, open up Instagram on your phone, and then after that, once you guys know exactly who the fake account is, after that simply go to that account. So for example, in my case, I will go over here, and then now from over here, let's say this was a fake account. Simply click on the top right, and then after that, just simply from over here, click on report. And then once you guys click on report, after that click on report account, and then from over here click on it's pretending to be someone else, and then over here click on someone I know, and then after that just simply choose the person that they are trying to fake it. So from over here, if Instagram gives you the option to tell them who is this account trying to fake, you can tell them, but if they don't ask you, it's fine then as well. It's not a big deal. So you guys can just simply now choose to block this person, restrict this person, unfollow this person, or you guys can just simply let it be, and Instagram is going to take a look at the request, and if they think that you are actually right, well then they are going to reach out to you and let you know that this account has been taken down. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.